Hi, my name is Chris Palmer. Today I'm going to talk about how to use a disc sander. A random orbital disc sander is a pretty valuable tool for finishing up some of your woodworking projects. Now, this is not to be confused with a stationary disc sander that only spins one direction without any other motion. A random orbital disc sander is a handheld tool, and it has a oscillating as well as a spinning motion that keeps it from leaving swirl marks on your work. Here's a disc of 120 grit hook and loop sandpaper for this sander. It's an 8-hole model. If you line up the holes on the sander with the holes in the paper, it will evacuate the dust a lot better. And this has a nice dust filter that will help keep it out of the room that you're working in. Don't apply too much downward pressure. Let the weight of the tool dictate that amount of pressure, and just move it slowly along your work. If you have some really bad trouble spots, you can work the edge in a little bit more aggressively, but don't do it too much or else you'll create a low point on your work. 120 grit is a really good middle of the road versatile grit to have on hand. If you need to do a lot of serious stock removal, you could go as low as 60 or even 40. 120 is a good place to start, and then to finish up with 220 will give you a nice smooth finish. That feels really good, nice and smooth. My name's Chris Palmer. Thanks for watching. That's how you use a disc sander.